Okay, so I'm on number 6 of this homework assignment, and I'm going to go through it. So here we go. First thing I would do is distribute the 3 to the terms inside of the parentheses, and I would distribute the 2 to the terms inside the parentheses, and then I would see if I can combine any like terms. So I have 3x plus 27 minus 7 equals 2x plus 20 plus x. And then please notice that you can combine these constants over here to be 3x plus 20. And then you can combine 2x plus x to get 3x plus 20. Now, if I take away 3x from both sides, you see how the variable goes away, and you're left with 20 equals 20. Does 20 equal 20? Yes. So the answer is either infinitely many solutions, which means any real number solution would work, or you can say all real numbers. That's what x equals. It could be any solution. So for your check, and I'm not going to do your check with you, you have to pick a number for x, any number, and you have to plug it into your equation and show that whatever number you picked, it could be different than the person next to you. It's going to check with the same value on both sides of the check. So any number will work. So pick a number, plug it in, show that it works, because any number will work. That's what this answer means, all real numbers. All right, next one. 2 consecutive odd integers have a sum of 88. What is the larger of the 2 odd integers? And this one I wanted you to look at 6.4 because I do go over problems just like this. Sorry, I'm just adjusting. Okay, here we go. So you always let x equal the smaller, in this case, odd integer. Then if you think about odd integers like 3, 5, 7, and so on, they always skip by 2. So x plus 2 is going to be the larger odd integer. And it says that they're consecutive and they have a sum of 88. What is the larger of the 2? So you're going to say x plus 2 is going to add up to 88. So 2x plus 2 is equal to 88. You're going to take away 2 from both sides. 2x equals 86. Divide by 2, x equals 43. So 43 would be the smaller one, and 45 would be the larger one. Double check. Do they have a sum of 88? Yes. Which one is my answer? Well, it wanted the larger of the 2. So if you wrote down 43, that's the wrong answer. That's the smaller of the 2. You want to write down 45. The larger number is 45. Make sure you ask yourself, is this an odd integer? Did the 2 consecutive odd integers add up to 88 like they were supposed to? Because if they didn't, you need to go back and figure out what you did wrong to check for understanding. All right, Deborah is measuring the perimeter of a rectangular poster to create a border. They wanted you to look at 6.4 notes. The width of her poster is 5 inches greater than the length of her poster. The total perimeter of her poster is 194 inches. What are the dimensions of Deborah's poster, and what is the area of the poster? Okay, so first, what am I building off of? The width of her poster is 5 inches greater than the length. So we're going to let x equal the length of the poster. And the width is 5 inches greater. So if I add 5 inches, that's the width. Now, the thing that people do wrong here is they add the length and the width together. But that would be like adding just 2 of the sides. And the perimeter is all 4 of the sides. So you could multiply this by 2 and multiply this by 2, or you can just literally add 4 sides together. That's okay too, because then you don't risk getting the distributive property incorrectly. So there's my length, there's my first width, there's my other length, there's my second width. So now I'm going to combine my terms, and I have 4x plus 10. So 4x plus 10 equals 194. I'm going to take away 10 from both sides. 4x equals 184. I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides. X equals, I should have a calculator, but I don't. It's fine. I can do math. 46. So that means that the length is 46 because that's what I set x as. And if I add 5 to that, I would get 51. Now let me add those together. 46 plus 51 is 97. But I thought it was supposed to be 194. But it's because I only added 2 sides. So what is 97 plus 97? 194. Perfect. Okay, so now I know my answer is correct because I found the perimeter using these sides and I got the right answer. So my length is 46 inches and my width is 51. And to find the area of these two things, I have to multiply. Oh my gosh, I wish I had a calculator. This is ridiculous. No, it's not. It's totally fine. Everything's great. Just kidding. We're great. Everything's so good. 6, 4, 3, 2. Oh my gosh, I hope that's right. Should I do it again? I should do it again. So let's see, 51 times. I'm just nervous that this is wrong and then I'm recording it forever and then everyone's going to think I don't know how to do math. 6, 4. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay. Next time I do one of these videos, I'll make sure I have a calculator with me. Okay, last page. Here we go. Toby's aunt is 2 years younger than triple Toby's age. The sum of their ages is 50 years. Find both of their ages. Again, this is 6.4. So his aunt is 2 years younger than triple Toby's age. That means we're building off of Toby. So X is Toby's age. And then it says the aunt is 2 years younger than triple Toby's age. So we have to triple Toby's age. That's 3X. But I want 2 years younger than that. So I'm going to take away 2. And that would be Toby's aunt's age. And then it says the sum of their ages is 50. So take Toby's age and add his aunt's age, and that should add up to 50. So 4x minus 2 is 50. Add 2. 4x equals 52. Divide by 4. Let's see, how many times does this go in? I can't think because it's 10 o'clock at night. 13. 13. Let's go with it. X is 13. So Toby will be 13. And then to find out the aunt's age, I have to do 3 times 13 and take away 2, which is 39. Take away 2, which is 37. And then I'm going to add these together. Why? Because I want to check that the sum is 50, and it is. Okay, thank goodness I did this right. So Toby's age is 13, and the aunt's age is 37. And I can move on to the next one. I have 3 minutes left. Presently, Miss Wall is 25 years older than Triple Penny's age. 1 year ago, the sum of their ages was 31. Okay, write and solve an equation to find Miss Wall's present age. So presently, Miss Wall is 25 years older than Triple Penny's age. So I'm building off of Penny's age. So I'm going to let X equal Penny's age now. And then I'm 25 years older than Triple Penny's age. So that means I'm going to triple Penny's age. But I'm 25 years older than that. So Penny's my dog, by the way. 25 years older than triple her age. 25 years older than triple her age. 25 years older than triple. Okay, yep. So that's my age now. And the reason I'm saying now, and I'm really putting an emphasis on this, is because it says 1 year ago, the sum of their ages was 31. Clearly, this problem's old. So 1 year ago, Penny was X minus 1 because it was a year ago. 1 year ago, I was 3X plus 25 minus 1 because it was a year ago. So that means that 1 year ago, these expressions, the sum of those two expressions, this is a year ago, was 31. So X minus 1, Penny's age a year ago, plus 3X plus 25 minus 1 is going to be 31. And now I'm going to obviously add like terms or combine like terms. So I have to hurry. 4x plus 23 equals 31. Subtract 23, subtract 23. 4x equals 218. Divide by 4, divide by 4. X equals 2. So that means that Penny is 2. And that means that 3 times 2 plus 25. Oh my gosh. 6 plus 25. 31. Oh my gosh, this is actually true. 31. Okay, so what does it say? Find Miss Wall's present age? 31. Oh my gosh. So wait, hold on. Let me check. So if Penny was 1 and then I was 30 last year, does that add up to 31? Yes, it does. Oh my gosh. Okay. Cool. Done. Great. I'm gonna